She's in fact coming to the Kalkaji constituency to cast her vote, and she said that yes, things have been in fact normal since morning. No particular information about any sort of disturbance from this very constituency, though there were reports last night.
दिल्ली की जनता काम करने वालों के साथ है और दिल्ली की जनता बहुत समझदार है। मेरी दिल्ली के वोटर से ये अपील है, सच्चाई के लिए वोट दें, अच्छाई के लिए वोट दें, काम के लिए वोट दें, गुंडागर्दी को हराने के लिए।
There was some sort of tampering that was trying to be done here as well. We have seen that the three-way contest here is rather embroiled with controversies of different sorts. You can see the kind of security arrangements that have been done. Definitely this constituency has just gotten heated up. Well, while she refused to speak to the media at this given point on a one-on-one basis, but she has definitely addressed the people out there. She sent out a message to step out and vote to everybody out there, and at the same time she's also put forward their manifesto with regards to the middle class. She's spoken about the narratives that the Aam Aadmi Party is focusing on. Remember, her contenders, her competitors here in the Kalkaji constituency is Congress's Alka Lamba and BJP's Ramesh Bidhuri, against whom there have been several particular complaints, because we've seen that Ramesh Bidhuri and Atishi were constantly embroiled in several kinds of allegations that were coming in against each other with regards to fraud, election fraud that have been done, tampering that was done, or any kind of fraud that was done during the model code of conduct. Once that had in fact been put into place day before yesterday since 5 p.m. evening. Right now, Atishi has left from her constituency here in Kalkaji. This is the MCD Pratibha school that we bring to you the live visuals of, and she's just left from this constituency after casting her vote.